Good morning, children. Students, coming 18th, all of you have your social exam. I hope all you saw pattern and portion. So be prepared and do well. Now I will help you by revising 3 lessons and semester 2 classwork. In Thursday, there is no worksheet and assignment. Instead of this, I will revise next 4 lessons. Today onwards, read social for at least 2 hours because 3 or 4 days only. Okay? Students, already I gave social pattern. Portion semester book fully. That means 1 to 6 lesson and also chapter 2 from lesson 1. Okay, this is your portion for half yearly exam. Now I explain about pattern. Okay, totally how many mark? 80 mark. First Roman, fill in the blanks for 3 mark. Choose the correct answer 3 mark. Who am I for 3 mark. Answer in one word 3 mark. Identify the picture 3 mark. Write true or false. If false, recorrected 3 mark. Expanded the following 2 mark. Differentiate between the following 4 mark. Complete the sentence 3 mark. Give 3 examples for each of the following. Okay, 2 mark. Write the meaning for the following words. 3 mark. Write the name of 2 states where the following crops are produced. Okay, that also 2 mark. Now, which of the following pairs is wrong? That means, example, rice, Tanjore, wheat, Haryana, and Rajasthan, Northern Plain. That like that, giving means which one wrong. That only want to write. Okay, 2 mark. Now, 14th Roman, mind map 3 mark. Define the following 4 mark. Give reason 4 mark. And write a slogan for following words. Listen, like that water conservation, farmer, like that. Okay, that is 4 mark. That Roman for 4 mark. Now, 18th Roman, answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Any 5. Okay, 10 mark. Answer in detail 8 mark. And comprehension 3 mark. And remap 8 mark. Totally 80 mark. Okay. Now, semester 1 book, page number 21. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Tropic of Capricorn lies at dash south of equator, located in 23.5 degree. Okay. Next one, the highest peak in North America is dash Mount McKinley. Answer, Mount McKinley. Okay. Now, see, the Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the world. Amazon rainforest is called the lungs of the world. Next one, the deepest point on Earth is the dash. Challenger deep. Challenger deep. Next one. The longest underwater mountain range is called Mid-Ocean Ridge. Okay. Now, choose the correct answer. The 0-degree longitude is called dash. Prime meridian, equator, Tropic of Cancer. Here what answer correct? Prime meridian. Okay. Now, B. The total number of longitude is dash. 360, 181, 150. Your correct answer 360. Now, third one. The huge water body that existed millions of years ago was called dash. Panthalassa, Pangea, Ocean. Here what correct answer? Panthalassa. Okay. Now, B1. Dash is a lake in Africa. Lake Erie, Lake Victoria and Lake Yala. Your answer? Lake Victoria. Next one. The largest hot desert in the world is dash. Sahara, Thar, Namib. Your answer? Sahara. Okay. Students, now page number 18. Fascinating fact. Okay. Now, the land of the midnight sun, Norway. The roof of the world, Tibet. Land of the rising sun, Japan. The rainbow nation, dash, South America. India's teardrop, Sri Lanka. A country with no rivers, Saudi Arabia. Which country has no rivers? Saudi Arabia. The continent where bees are not found, Antarctica. Okay. Now, one or two question answers. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. What is an axis? And now answer. An imaginary line passing through the center of the earth on which its spin is known as axis. Now, third one. Why was Africa referred to as the dark continent? Again one time. Why was Africa referred to as the dark continent? Africa was known as the dark continent because it remained unexplored for a fairly long period of time. Okay, unexplored, explored, UN and EX, PLORED, unexplored. Okay, now D1. Name the countries that form the Scandinavian Peninsula. Norway, 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 and Sweden, SWEDEN, Sweden are the countries that form the Scandinavian Peninsula. Now, next, what is the Pacific Ring of Fire? Most of the earth Volcanoes are located in the Pacific Ocean, forming a horse-shaped ring known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Okay? Now, lesson 2, Movements of the Earth. What is the name of lesson 2? Movements of the Earth. Okay. Now, page number 36. First one, fill in the blanks. The imaginary line on which the earth spin is called the dash. What answer here? Axis. 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 Now, second one. The dash of the earth causes season. Revolution. What spelling? REVOLUTION. The revolution. Next one. A leap year has dash days. How many days? 366 days. Now, D1. During dash leaves from the trees fall to the ground. Autumn. AUTUM. Autumn. Now, E1. The shortest day of the year in the southern hemisphere is on dash. December 22nd. Which, listen. Again one time answer. December 22nd. Now choose. The earth takes dash to complete one rotation. How many days? 365 days. B1. In a leap year, February has dash days. 29 days. Autumn is followed by which season? Yeah, winter. Okay. Dash means equal day and equal night. Equinox. Now E1. On 21st September, the southern hemisphere has dash spring equinox. Now question answer. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. First one. How is day and night caused? Day and night are caused by earth rotation on its axis. Again one time. Day and night are caused by earth rotation on its axis. Okay. Now, B question. What is a leap year? What is a leap year? The year with 360 days instead of 365 days is called a leap year. Okay. Now C question. What are seasons? Seasons are different times or period of the year that are marked by changes in the climate, temperature and hours of daylight. Daylight. Okay. Now D1. How are seasons caused? Seasons are caused due to two reasons. The tilt of the earth axis and the revolution of the earth around the sun in a fixed path. Okay. Now E1. What does solstice mean? Solstice is the time when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point at noon, resulting in the shortest and longest days of the year. Again one time. Solstice is the time when the sun reaches its highest or lowest point at noon, resulting in the shortest and longest days of the year. Now, page number 54. First Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, the dash are fold mountains found in Europe. Alps. Here what answer? Alps. A-L-P-S. Alps. Now second one, Mount Dash is a volcanic mountain found in Italy. Here answer, Mount Vesuvius. V-E-M-T, Mount. V-E-S-U-V-I-U-S. Vesuvius. Again one time. V-E-V-S-U-Su. Vesu. V-I-U-S-S. Vesuvius is a volcanic mountain found in Italy. Now, third one, the dash refer to the volcanic region around the Pacific Ocean. New Zealand, Japan, Philippines. New Zealand, N-E-W, New Zealand. Land, L-A-N-D, New Zealand. And Japan, J-A, P-A-N, Pan, Japan. Third one, Philippines, P-H-I-L, L-I-L, Pines, P-I-N-E-S, Philippines. Okay. Now, fourth one, dash plateaus are found at the foot of mountain. Piedmont, P-I-E-D, Piedmont, M-O-U-N-T, Piedmont. Okay. Now, fifth one, the Colorado Plateau is in the dash, United States. Colorado Plateau is in the dash, United States. U-N-I, United, T-E-D, TED, United States, S-T-A-T-E-S, State, United States. Now, choose the correct answer. First one, Mount Everest, the highest mountain above sea level, is in, where is located? China, Nepal, India. Nepal, N-E-P-A-L, Nepal. Next one, Bolivian Plateau is an example of, here given, fold mountain, intermountain plateau and continental plateau. Here what answer? Intermountain plateau. Okay. Third one, the Grand Canyon is found in dash, Australia, North America, South America. Here correct answer, North America. Now, fourth one, Piedmont means dash in French. Foothill. Here what answer? Foothill. Okay. Now, fifth one, the dash plateau is an example of Piedmont Plateau. Malwa Plateau. Where is located? In our India. Malwa. Okay. Now answer the following question in one or two sentences. Okay, first one, what factors led to the formation of mountain? Again one time, what factors led to the formation of mountain? Now answer, mountains are formed by the constant upward thrust of internal forces. Again one time, mountains are formed by the constant upward thrust of internal forces. Now second one, how are fold mountain formed? Now answer, when massive slabs of solid rock are pushed off, they fold and rise up, forming fold mountains. Okay, now again one time, when massive slabs of solid rock are pushed up, they fold and rise up, forming fold mountain. Now third one, what is the Pacific Ring of Fire? Now answer, the Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. Again one time, the Ring of Fire is a major area in the basin of the Pacific Ocean where many earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur. Okay, now fourth one, what is a plateau? What is a plateau? Answer, a plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. Again one time, a plateau is a flat topped land on a raised surface. Now fifth one, what are intermountain plateaus? Give example. What are intermountain plateaus? Give examples. Plateaus that border fold mountain ranges are called intermountain plateau. Again, plateaus that border fold mountains ranges are called intermountain plateau. Example, the plateau of Tibet, the Colorado plateau in the US. Okay. Now page number 78. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The White Nile is a tributary of the river Nile, N-I-L-E, Nile. Second one, these are sources of fresh water, rivers. These are sources of fresh water, rivers. Third one, these are lowlands formed between mountain, valleys. Now fourth one, river deposit dash and dash on the plain, minerals and silts, mineral and silts. Now fifth one, sometimes the river branches out into tiny stream called distributaries before entering the sea. Okay, now choose the correct answer. Now choose the correct answer. First one, the dash is the largest delta in the world. Nile, Sundarban, Indus. Here correct answer, Sundarban. Second one, a narrow strip of land connecting two water bodies is called an strait. Answer, strait. Third one, the dash connect of Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Suez Canal. Okay. Now fourth one, Isthmus of Panama connect North America to South America. Now fifth one, Arabian is an peninsular. Arabian is a peninsular. Okay. Students, now lesson 4 question answer. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. First one, what is a tributary? A tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a larger river. Okay, again one time. A tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a larger river. Now second one, how is river Nile formed? In Sudan, the Blue Nile joined the White Nile to form the river Nile. Now third question, what are valleys? Valleys are lowlands, normally found between hills or mountain. Again one time answer. Valleys are lowlands, normally found between hills or mountain. Okay. Now D question, what is an estuary? When a river directly meet a sea or an ocean without branching out into this tributary sheet. Okay. Now E question, what is a peninsula? Answer now. A peninsula is connected to the mainland on one side and is surrounded by water on three sides. Again one time. A peninsula is connected to the mainland on one side and is surrounded by water on three sides. Now page number 95. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Indus Valley civilization is also known as the civilization. Answer, Harappan. H-A-R-A-P. H-A-R-A-P. Rap. P-A-N. Pan. Harappan. Second one, they worshipped the goddess Mother. What answer here? Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Now, third one, Indus Valley sailors travel as far as the dash Persian Gulf. Persian Gulf. P-E-R. Per. S-I-C-A-N-N. Persian Gulf. G-U-L-F. Gulf. Persian Gulf. Now, fourth one, their earliest form of writing was through dash script. Pictographic. Pictographic. P-I-C. Pic. T-O-2. Graph. G-R-A-P. Hic. H-I-C. Graphic. Pictographic. Now, fifth one, they were the first to use dash which were spun onto cloths. Button. B-U-T. But. T-O-N-S. Tons. Buttons. Now, choose the correct answer. A1, page number 96. The city of Dash was discovered in 1922. Mohenjo-daro. M-O-H-E-N J-O, Mohenjo-daro. D-A-R-O, Mohenjo-daro. Second one, they were expert at, as can be seen from neatly laid roads and drains. Laid roads and drains. Answer, town planning. Okay, here have three answers. Skilled pottery 1, town planning next gold mining. Here correct answer, town planning. Now, third one, they used dash to bull their carts and fluff their field. Action, buffalo, cows. Action. Dash and dash were their favorite pastime. First one, board games and cockfighting. Board games and cockfighting. Fifth one, images of animals were engraved on dash. Seals, emblem, gray. Here what answer? Seals. Now, fourth Roman, answer the following question in one or two sentences. First one, where was the Indus Valley civilization located? Answer, the Indus Valley civilization was located in modern day Pakistan and parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan in India. Again one time, the Indus Valley civilization was located in modern day Pakistan and part of Gujarat and Rajasthan in India. Now second one, how was the upper town built? Who lived there? Answer, the upper town was built on a higher level and had bigger building than the lower town. This is probably where the important people lived. Okay. Now third one. Write a few sentences about the Great Bath. Write a few sentences about the Great Bath. Now answer. The Great Bath was located in Mohenjo-daro. It was like a huge swimming pool. This place was filled with water to be used during religious ceremonies. Okay. The ceremonies means what? What is meant by ceremonies? Yeah, sadangugal. Okay. Rituals. Now, fourth one. What evidence do we have of the fact that they were skilled potters? Many answer now. Many artifacts and vessels with beautiful designs led us to believe that these people were skilled potters. Answer again. Many artifacts that vessels with beautiful designs led us to believe that these people were skilled potters. Now, E1. How can you say that they were excellent mathematicians? The exact measurement of the bricks and the uniform system of weight prove that they were excellent mathematicians. Students, now fifth Roman, answer the following questions. Now A1. How were the cities of the Indus Valley civilization built? Now answer. The cities of the Indus Valley civilization were built in two parts, lower town and upper town. Now second point. The upper town was built on a higher level This is probably where the important people were lived. The common people lived into lower town. Now, B question, were the town well planned? How do you know? Now answer, the towns in the Indus Valley civilization were well planned. They had neatly laid roads and drains. Each house had a drainage system and well. They used sun-dried bricks to build the wells, drains and buildings. The remains of the buildings found unravel the splendid town planning in this civilization. Now, what was the occupations of these people? Write about any two. The main occupation of the people was agriculture. They grew crops such as rice, wheat, barley and millet, along with other vegetables and fruits. They had canals to irrigate the field. Now, B questions. Listen here. What do we know about their language and writing? Now answer. Their earliest writing was through pictographic script. What? Pictographic script, which was picture writing on seal made of soapstones, terracotta, wood and metal. They then started adding writing to their picture. The script would be on top with the animal motif below it. Okay. Now, E question. What were the contributions to today's world? What were the contributions to today's world? Now answer. Contributions of Indus Valley civilization to today's world. Buttons were first used by them. These buttons had different shapes with holes in them, so that they could be spun onto cloths. Now second point. They were the first to have used step wells, which are a series of steps leading down to a pool of water. Now, page number 118, book exercise. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The soil is found along the land around rivers. Alluvial, A-L-L-U-V-I-A-L, alluvial soil. Now, second one, black soil is formed from dash lava rocks. L-A-V-A, lava, rock, R-O-C-K-S, rocks, lava, rocks. Now, third one, tidal or dash forests are usually found in the depths of rivers. Mangrove, M-A-N-G-R-O-V-E, mangrove forests are usually found in the deltas, D-E-L-T-A-S, deltas. Now, D. Planting more trees to make a forest is called afforestation. A-F-F-O-R-E-S-T ATION, upper station. Now E. The third RS stand for dash dash and dash. Reduce, REDUCE, reduce. Reuse, REUSE, reuse. And recycle, RECYCLE. Okay, now choose. Choose the correct answer. The toppermost layer of the soil is rich in dash, organic matter. 2. Answer 2. Organic matter. Now, dash soil is salty and infertile. Sandy, SANDY, sandy. Now, third one. C. Dash and dash soil have iron in them. Laterite and red soil. Laterite and red soils have iron in them. Now D. Sal and semul are trees found in dash forest. Deciduous forest. Answer third one. DECIDUOUS, deciduous forest. Now E. Trees give us dash to breathe. Oxygen. OXYGEN, oxygen. Students, now question answer, page number 4. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Question: how is black soil formed? Question: how is black soil formed? Black soil is formed from lava rocks. Again, black soil is formed from lava rocks and is black in color. Second point, it is clayey and sticky when it is wet. It is clayey and sticky when it is wet. Now, black soil, BLACK, black soil, 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 is formed, FORMED, formed from, FROM, from lava, 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 rocks, ROCKS, lava rocks, and ANT and IS is black in color, BLACK, black, IN in color, COLOUR, black in color. Second point, it is clayey, IT, IS is clayey, 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 and ANT and sticky, 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 when WHEN, when it is wet, WET, wet. Okay. Now, second question, what is leaching? What is leaching? Leaching is the process by which minerals get washed away from the soil due to heavy rain. Again, answer, leaching, LEACH, leach, ING, ink, leaching is, IS is the, THE, the process, PRO, process, CESS, process by, BY, by which, WCHICH, which minerals, MINERALS ALS minerals gate GET gate washed away AWAY washed away from the soil FROM from the soil due to DUE due to TO2 heavy 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 rain RAIN heavy rain. Leaching is the process by which minerals get washed away from the soil due to heavy rain. Now C question. Mention the different types of forest in India. India has many types of forests such as evergreen forests, deciduous forests, coniferous forest, thorn forest and tidal forest. Evergreen EVER ever green 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 evergreen forest FORESTS forest. Deciduous DECI deciduous DUOUS deciduous forest FORESTS deciduous forest. Coniferous forest CONI coniferous FEROUS coniferous forest FORESTS coniferous forest. Thorn forest THORN thorn forest FORESTS thorn forest. And tidal 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 forest FORESTS tidal forest. Okay. Now what step has the government taken to protect forest? D question. What step has the government taken to protect forests? Now answer. The government has launched many programs such as the social forestry program and Vana Mahotsav to plant more trees. The government the government government has has launched launched many many programs program GRAMMES programs such as SUCH such as ASS the social 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 forestry 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 program program GRAMME program and Vana Mahotsav MA Vana Maha Vana Mahotsav TSAVAS Vana Mahotsav to plant more trees MORE more TREES trees. Students, now E question. What does biodegradable mean? Name some non-biodegradable items. Okay. Now first point. Things that are capable of decomposing and mixing with the soil are called biodegradable. Again, things that are capable of decomposing and mixing with the soil are called biodegradable. Second point, some non-biodegradable items are plastics, aluminium, glasses, metals and toxic chemicals. Toxic chemicals. Okay. Now spelling things. 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 That. That. Are. Are. Capable. Capable. Capable of. Of decomposing. Composing. Decomposing and and mixing. Mixing. Mixing with mixing with the soil 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 are called called biodegradable biodegradable biodegradable. Now second point. Some non non gradable biogradable biogradable item items are plastic plastics aluminium aluminium minium aluminium glasses glasses metals metals and toxi chemical chemicals. Now page number 24, book back exercise. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Viranam Lake and the Usain Sagar Lake are some example of tank dug in India. Okay. B. Industrial waste should be disposed carefully to prevent water pollution. C. Wheat and pulses are example food crops in India. Example of food crops in India. Now D. We do not have to import good food grains anymore because of the Green Revolution. Now E. West Bengal is the leading producer of jute in the country. Now choose. As is called the king of piper, cotton. B. The dam is built over the Sutlej river, Hirakud, Bakranangal, Mettur, Bakranangal dam. Now C. Crops, dash crops are also called winter crops, Rabi. Now D. Dash is the largest producer of sugarcane in the country, Uttar Pradesh. Now E. Coffee is grown in Coorg in Karnataka. Match the following. Wheat. Here answer. Rabi crop. Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Krishna River. Rice. Kharif crop. Mettur Dam, Kaveri river, pulses, cereal crop. Now, page number 25. Answer the following question in one or two sentences. First question, what is hydroelectricity? Now answer, in a dam, water is made to fall from a great height to spin turbine, which is to generate electricity. This kind of electricity is called hydroelectricity or tidal power. Again one time, in a dam, water is made to fall from a great height to spin turbine, turbine, BINES, turbines, which is turn, turn, generate electricity, electricity, CITY. This kind of electricity is called hydroelectricity or tidal power. Now B question, why is irrigation necessary? Irrigation is necessary as farming is dependent on a regular supply of water throughout the year. Again one time, irrigation is necessary as farming is dependent on a regular supply of water throughout the year. Now, see question, what are canals? Canals are narrow paths that are dug on the surface to carry water from river or water stored in tanks and reservoirs to far off field for irrigation. Now, D1, what are cash crop? Give to example. Now answer, crops that are produced mainly for export purposes and which provide a lot of income to our country are called a cash crop. Okay. Jute and cotton are example of cash crop. Okay. Now E1, what are plantation crop? Plantation crops are those crops that are grown in plantation. Example, tea, coffee and
Students, some information for you. Already you written PT 1 and 2 for only 30 marks. But half-yearly exam you will write 80 marks. So there will be a different Roman extra. Read book interior 1 mark also. Like some new Romans also will come to the half-yearly exam, like which of the following pair is wrong, and expanded the following like PM, CM, 3RS, WW, like that. Okay, and identify the picture. Next, mind map. Already you written, so refer your classwork. Next, time is not enough, so I didn't revise the detail, but you should read, refer book Roman 5th one. Okay.